Hello people of the internet, this time iPhone 11 Pro version. The cheapest one, 64 gigabytes. See, what can I say? Factory sealed. It's my trusted knife, Tonto Katana, the sharpest knife in the world. Let's open it, let's see. Okay. Where's the hinge? Satisfaction. No. Let's lift the cover. Oh yeah. Look at it. Look at it. Now this iPhone is the cleanest you can get. It will be never clean like that anymore. Maybe because I have sweaty hands. Okay, let's do it. Let's put it aside first. What's inside? Designed by Apple in California. Okay. What's in there? Very cheap SIM card tool. Yes, it is cheap. Where are the stickers? I like stickers. Where are they? Do I get any stickers? Oh, there they are. Yes, I've got two of them. Simple one, white one. Okay. What else we have? We have USB Type-C to Lightning charger. What are there? But there's nothing on the charger. Oh, wait. Is it? Come on, camera, focus. What it says on the charger. Can we focus on the letters? Now you have it. Pause the video if you want to read this. It's supposed to be a fast charger. And normal headphones. Oh, camera, please. Normal headphones. Nothing fancy. And lightning to USB Type-C cable. And that's it. That's all you got with this phone. Now look at it. Ooh, very nice. Satisfaction. So, this is how it looks like in close-up. Space gray version. We have 3 lenses, of course. The ultra-wide lens is 12 megapixel with 2.4 light, 120 degrees. The normal wide lens is 1.8 light, and the telephoto is 2.0. Of course, 2 times digital zoom. All the buttons. Let's bring the old one, X10S. That's the 10S. Let's compare it. Let's compare how the buttons are. Is it the same? No, like you can see, buttons are a little lower, just a little bit. But other than that, it's looking pretty similar. Okay. It greetings you. Hello. Swipe, set your language, and you're good to go. Get started. Okay, very quick. Very quick. Continue. Now, they say the audio is way better on the new iPhone. Can you tell which one is which? Now, this is the new iPhone. No, this is the new iPhone. This is the old iPhone. Well, let's check the old iPhone first. Maximum loudness. Now the new iPhone. Now there's an improvement there, but a tiny one, just a tiny one. Nothing major. iPhone 11 Pro. Look at the frame. This is the night video. Do you like it? It's very peaceful. Close up. And again close up. And wide angle. No. So the small conclusion of this unboxing, first impressions. Well, the first impressions are very nice. I think it's heavier than the previous version. What about the whole experience? You see, it's basically the same phone with the better camera. That's all it is. So if you are not using the camera in your phone, don't bother. But the camera is amazing here. It's next level thing. The quality is awesome. Well, I make another video, so go to my other video. I'm comparing those two cameras. Difference are noticeable. Have I one issue with this phone? Well, issue. 64 gigabyte. Yes, I know I bought the cheapest one because I'm not a rich person, but it was still very expensive. And 64 gigabytes, come on, 128 should be minimum. 64, it's kinda low. And I know I will struggle with this because I struggle with the previous version. And 100 more, no way, way more, almost $200 more to get more storage. Yeah, 200, and then the next one is 256, something like that, but it's $200 more expensive in my country. In your country, could be cheaper. In US, this is a different price because in Poland this phone cost in dollars. Let me let me tell you how much it cost in Poland. $1,260 for the basic version. $1,259 for the 64 gigabyte version. Can you feel the price in Poland? Can you feel it? So don't tell me in your country it's expensive, because in my country this is even more expensive. No. Understand? Understand. So thanks for watching and see you next video.